It's cooking.
Come on, Wendy.
Is it broiling?
Oh, that's a little aftertaste there. All right. Oh, much better. Woo! All right.
Wait!
Oh,
I'm kidding!
that was mine, but that was sad. All right, get your 3 best burps if you got them. So far, we got 3 contestants.
He needs a soda.
Needs a soda?
Get him a Minnesota.
And a Minnesota? That was pretty good, Jonathan. Any more?
Yeah, I got another one.
Anybody? Who can do one?
Hurry up.
Oh, come on, yeah! Woo! That was the best burp, I'll have to say, in my opinion. Sadly, but truly. What do you want there, Dad? What are you getting there? They're all carbonated.
Oh, I hate that.
All right. Morris just... Oh, boo. Boo. Oh, that's a little... That's only a little better.
That was pitiful, boy.
Morris, come on now.
Tongue right there.
All right. Devin, are you going to chug it? Come on, Devin. Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Woo, woo.
Oh, that is another.
All the flesh. Yeah, come on, Devin. You can do it.
See how there it comes.
Put your power to
I
it.
can't even control the burping. Well, actually, I can. I can't control how it sounds though.
I used to could, but I've eaten too much this evening.
I only learned that because I do
Pretty
that.
bad, weren't they?
Come back up.
Yeah, they don't care.
Bring it.
Yeah.
Chug it. Chug, 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 chug.
Chug.
That's the best I can. That's better than the rest of it.
Come on, Devin. You got it.
Come on, Brandon. I'll buy you a Coke. Boy, I know you might be.
He's got one. He can't do it. Go ahead, Devin.
I ain't got one.
You can get one if you chug about half of that real quick.
It's hard to do it from command. That was better than the other.
This is not Jeopardy. Get on with it.
Go.
You could if you wanted to.
That's not even real, just saying it. It only sounds real. Okay. Got it?
Any
Go
other
ahead.
time, boy, you
Get
be
it.
bouncing off. You'd be about around the wall.
It's the pressure. Sorry, that was weak. It's kind of nasty if you have one. Go ahead, Devin. I can do a real one. Let me bring it up.
Come on! Yeah,
In a cave, burping down under. Fake faker. $5 on Wendy.
I'm gonna do it in reverb.
Reverb.
Well, by the time we all finish.
Oh, that was good.
That was mine. No, wait, got more. No, that was it. Incoming! Ooh, scared. Devin, turn around. I said,
Hey, say something to Mike.
that one sprayed my tonsils.
Say something in the mic.
Say something.
Say something, Jonathan.
It's the devil.
double burp.
Don't let it take out.
Shut up!
Hey, put it back.
Okay, here we go.
I am your father.
You're not your little brother.
I am your father. Still got reverb.
Bring it. Sorry,
No, that was too cool.
Nobody can hear.
Alright, y'all done. Y'all done. Okay.
I almost got it to end.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get some light. Morris, throw us the light on here, and somebody stop that camera there, because we're gonna do something different here. What we need, Morris, if you don't mind, grab that table.